So I learned about this thing called Unity Build from the third-party integrations page on each.io. For those of you who don't know, each.io is a sort of a community for game developers to share their games, and then players can try them out. You can download these games, you can pay for them. Lots of good stuff here. So anyways, I learned about this thing, Unity Build, so I thought I'd check it out. So it's on GitHub, and it's a powerful automation tool for generating builds. Great. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Currently, I have a game that a prototype that I am experimenting with, and I keep having to create multiple versions for it. I need to create a Windows version and then a Mac version, and it takes a little bit of time. So if this tool is as good as it sounds, then that would be a huge time saver. When I say huge, probably 10 minutes every time I do it. But so this is a game that I'm currently prototyping. So I'm going to try this tool on this sort of shoot 'em up one-on-one multiplayer game. Okay, so let's just download it, see what's inside. Okay, so a bunch of files, everything here looks good. I am going to, so I have my Unity open here ready. So what I am going to do is I will make a new folder. Actually, I'm going to put this in the root folder here, and then I'm just going to drag all these files in here. Okay, so that should be there. Okay. So let's come back to this page and see what it says. So they have these modules I can use apparently. So open that, I'll have a look in a bit. Basic setup, let's see. Standard usage. It's minimum number of steps to go from 0 to build. Import, I've done that. Okay, let's go to the window. Okay, super Unity build, great. So it's there. Move this up a bit. Okay, and then release type, add release type, type name, product name. Okay, release type. We'll just do Mac OS. And then Windows. Okay. So I apparently need to redefine my scenes so it doesn't grab from the scene view. I mean the scene settings. So let's see. Drag and drop scene file here. Okay. I'm gonna dock this here. Okay, so I only have one scene, so that's easy enough. Do that. This is pretty cool. You can have this thing build different scenes for different targets. So that's quite cool. Click Build Platforms, select the platform you want to build, and click the Add Platform button. Build Platform. Oh, so I might be doing this wrong. Let's see. I think I just need one here. So this is, I should just call this release. Release type, release scene. Have one scene there. Doesn't really tell you which scene. Actually, no, it does. Okay, great. Build platforms. I'm going to do OS X. And then PC. Okay. Click the big green perform all enabled builds. Okay. Do anything? Okay, there we go. Looks like it's working. Is that done? Let's see. Release. Very cool. So we've got our two different versions of different platforms ready to go. Should we just try? I'm on a Mac, so I'm just gonna try the Mac version. Okay, that's working. Yeah, so it's not really using the settings and build settings, but that's okay. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, works fine. Everything seems to be working very well. Very cool. So that was very quick, to get going. So that's brilliant. Shall we dig into the customizations for a bit? So in basic settings, you can set up where the build output is placed. Okay, good. Product parameters, version number generation, that's useful. Release type, you have different release type for different, yeah, that makes sense. Distribution, different builds for different distribution, that's cool. Pre-built actions, post-built actions. Very good. Configurations, you can enable disable configurations. Very cool. So that all sounds fantastic. Now, if we go to build actions, see what kind of things are available here. So basically these are sort of additional tools you can use on top of the Unity build asset. Okay, so itch.io uploader. I think this would be great for my game, because what I had to do before was manually sort of uploading them from this page. But it looks like if I have this, I'll be able to just do it. It doesn't really have a lot of instructions, but let's just have a quick look. Yeah. Okay, so I think the best thing to do is probably just giving it a go. Okay, shall we try that? Okay, try that. Just gonna see if I've missed anything. Okay, so this is the build action, Unity build actions. So we will again create a folder. I keep doing this, but this should be in the root folder. Okay, and move all the files in there. Okay. Right, okay, so how do I should probably read the instructions a bit. Okay, so standard build action type. build actions. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. Oh, great. So you have these things that you can add oh wait, this is before post build action. Upload each. Got it. Okay, so after I've added these, now I have these actions I can add to my process. And if I do upload each, how would it know? I wonder what would happen if we do that. Let's see. So just to save time, I'm going to, no, actually, no, let's do that. Try again. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's doing its thing. Okay, so I've got an error here. Oh, right, so I have not installed Butler. I'm not sure if it's actually available for the Mac. Why not be? Oh yeah, it does. Anyway, so so apparently I don't have Butler, which is this tool for the I/O for you to directly upload builds from your command line. So I haven't had that installed, but presumably if I have, and this would just be allow me to upload directly to my game. So I'll give that a try later. But there you go. This is Super Unity build, and it's looking pretty good. Yeah. So my second attempt again, I got my files. Brilliant.